What if I told you that fixing your posture could eliminate back pain, boost your energy, and even make you look taller? In just 7 days, no gym, no chiropractor, just 5 minutes a day. Here's exactly how I did it. Slouching isn't just an eyesore. It's crushing your organs, reducing lung capacity by 30%, and triggering anxiety. I learned this the hard way. After years of hunching over screens, I had constant headaches and zero energy. But everything changed when I tried this 3-step routine. First, wall angels. Stand against a wall, arms in a W shape, and slide them up and down for 2 minutes. This instantly realigns your spine. Second, chin tucks. Gently tuck your chin like you're holding an orange under it. Do this every hour to reverse tech neck. Third, superhero walks. Stand tall, chest up, and walk like you own the room. Sounds silly, but it reprograms your muscle memory. After 7 days, my back pain vanished, I stood taller, and my confidence skyrocketed. But fair warning, don't overdo it like I did. Start slow. Want the free printable guide with all these exercises? Comment posture below. If this helped, hit like. It supports the channel. Subscribe for more life-changing routines. See you in the next one.